Welcome to the course, Learn Logix 7, Programming Timers and Counters with Studio 5000 Logix Designer. This beginner PLC course has been created to teach you how to work with timer and counter instructions to add functionality to your Studio 5000 Logix Designer projects. After following this course, you will know what timer instructions are available in Studio 5000 Logix Designer. Know how to program timer instructions. Know what counter instructions are available in Studio 5000 Logix Designer, and know how to program counter instructions. After completing this course, you will be ready to take follow-up courses that dive into more complex topics, like using math and comparison instructions to compare and compute numeric data. This course teaches you how to program timer and counter instructions in Studio 5000 Logix Designer. To get the most value out of this course, you should have access to Studio 5000 Logix Designer and Studio 5000 Logix Emulate so that you can follow along with the lessons. If you don't have access to these products, you can still watch the video lessons to learn how to work with timers and counters in Studio 5000 Logix Designer and Studio 5000 Logix Emulate. Now that you know what you need to follow this course, let's talk about who the course is for. We created Learn Logix 7, Programming Timers and Counters in Studio 5000 Logix Designer, for beginners who want to learn how to program Logix 5000 PLCs with Studio 5000 Logix Designer. If you have a lot of experience with programming PLCs from other manufacturers, and you just want to learn how to program Logix 5000 PLCs, then this course is probably not for you. Although this course is created for beginners, you will need some foundational knowledge of Logix 5000 PLCs, Studio 5000 Logix Designer, and Studio 5000 Logix Emulate to follow the course. The good news is that you can learn everything that you need to know to follow this course by following the previous courses in the Learn Logix series. You can find those courses by searching for Learn Logix on your RealPars dashboard. In this lesson, I provided you with a quick overview of Learn Logix 7, Programming Timers and Counters with Studio 5000 Logix Designer, including an overview of the contents of the course, an explanation of what you need to follow the course, and a description of who the course is for. In the next lesson, we will look in more detail at exactly what you will learn in Learn Logix 7, Programming Timers and Counters with Studio 5000 Logix Designer, and how the course is structured. See you there!